Hello, welcome to MarineMax in beautiful sunny Miami, Florida. We're here to show you our latest arrival. It's a Scout 530 LXF. Let's start towards the power. This boat came equipped with quad Mercury V12 600 horsepower. It's the newest motors out of Mercury, dual prop, very quiet, great power. It'll push this boat close to 70 miles an hour. I wanted to point out, look at this beautiful full walkthrough. Comfortable when you're out in the transom. No cables to trip over. Let me show you these doors here to get to the transom. Look at that. Wanted to point out dual separate live wells. If you want to zoom in here, carbon epoxy construction. That's the whole hull is carbon epoxy construction. That's why this boat has the performance it has. Nice lounge chair. Let's look over here. Look at that beach door. Both port and starboard open up. You have 18 feet across when they're both opened. And notice how this boat flows all around very, very well. Let's look at the bar, entertainment area. We have nice Kenyan barbecue grill, ice maker to make drinks or for your fish boxes. Nice little sink with a cutting board. Check these out, dual bar stools. So when you're hanging out, entertaining, real comfortable. These hide right under here, so they're out of the way. We do have a refrigerator. We have raw water, fresh water, hot or cold. Extra storage here. Some nice drawers for your tackle. This boat you can order with a second flybridge tower. This came with a ladder so you can get up top. Let's look at the helm. We'll start here towards the back part of the helm. Look at this. 4-seating arrangement, real comfy. So when you're going, everyone's looking forward and you're all looking at your GPS. Let's look towards the helm. This boat came equipped with Garmin. We have dual Garmin screens, so your passengers has a view to everything the captain's looking at. We have zip wake, joystick system. Let's go towards the bottom of the boat. Notice full no walk through, no steps, so no one trips over. We'll start here. Insulated coolers, both sides. Twilight. This is a neat part of the boat. You have a table and you have lounge. So these go down. You either have floor, lounge, or both tables. Look at this triple seating lounge. Real comfy when you're just relaxing out with a family. You have a beam of 14.9 feet. Follow me. Look at the space you have here. Easy access towards the transom. Hello, welcome to the cabin on the Scout 530 LXF. Let me show you around. Right here to my right, we have a nice lounge area with a table. That electric. Table goes higher, or you can turn this into a bed. There's a little cushion here. If someone just wants to relax here, nice place to get air conditioning. Let's look over here. We got the Vizio television. Nice counter here to cook. A little sink here. We do have 2 refrigerators. Little wine chiller. Check out the master bedroom here. Nice, spacious, queen size bed. I'll show you the restrooms here. Look at the attention to detail. Separate bathroom and shower. Come right this one, I'll show you. You got privacy here. If you notice, the lines are very, very square lines, very Italian design. We have another cabin here for the kids or your visitors. Notice the large steps to come in and out. The boat flows very, very well. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of the Scout 530 LXF. If you need any further information, please call us at MarineMax Miami 305-758-5786. Thank you.